Hi everybody, it's Marla Meridith, and I have a really fun recipe to share with you all. It's a melted candy corn skillet brownie. And I know this time of year, especially with Halloween, perhaps we bought too much candy, we have a lot of leftover candy, and this is a really creative way to use up that candy corn. So as you might already know, I'm obsessed with the cast iron skillet. And I'm part of this Facebook group called Cast Iron Cooking. And I had posted my recipe for a giant leftover Halloween candy skillet cookie, and I'll post the link at the end of this video. But someone on that comment feed mentioned this skillet brownie idea to me with these melted candy corn. It's so easy to throw together, and we're gonna try it together.
In a medium bowl, mix together the brown sugar, granulated sugar, and the eggs until they are well combined. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Next, you are going to melt the butter in your 10-inch cast iron skillet, add some cream, mix to combine, then add your candy corn. Continue to mix and cook the candy corn until it is melted. Next, mix the egg mixture into the flour mixture the best you can, and then fold in the melted candy corn until you have a batter. Transfer the batter back into the skillet. There's no need to clean the skillet. Okay, time to take this skillet brownie out of the oven. It smells absolutely amazing in here, and I'm thinking it's time for a late night snack. All right, we've got our melted candy corn skillet brownie out of the oven. It smells heavenly. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is let it cool off a little bit, and then we're gonna plate it with some ice cream and maybe a little bit more candy corn. All right, the suspense is killing me. I'm so ready to dive into this thing. Okay, that's delicious. Candy corn, give it a really interesting texture and sort of like a gooiness that's completely irresistible. You gotta try it.